Today we're opening up my order from PopFlex or Fitness. I'm not sure how to say it right. It is the Blogilates planner. And if you're not a fan, why not? She's amazing and fabulous and fun. And she's also Asian. It's really nice when you see other Asian small business owners, and they're just really aren't a lot of us, so I want to support them whenever I see them. So here we have a little postcard, Back to Basics, and it just has a nice little note signed by Cassie, and then we have some stickers, some Blogilates stickers. So I don't know, did I buy these separately? I think they were included. Okay, 2022 Blogilates stickers. Let's go ahead. I'm going to just take everything out of this box so we can just look at everything. Oh, there's another sticker at the bottom, and who doesn't like stickers? Oh, it got broken. So that's okay. All right, so let's look at the stickers first. And what do we have here? So these stickers, let me try to move the light so it's a little brighter. All right, so these are, do they have foiling? They're shiny stickers, in case you're wondering, and they have some gold foiling in them. Obviously a mat, spin bike, some weights, a little avocado, a smiley face, and then they have these smaller little things underneath which say meal prep. I was like, what does that say? Urgent, groceries, dollar signs, laundry. And yeah, so it's just the same thing over and over again, but you get 4 sheets of these. And then, wow, these are itty bitty teeny tiny. I did not realize that these were going to be so small. I don't know why. For some reason, I thought they would be bigger. I guess we can make the camera bigger because we don't need that size. Okay, I don't know why I'm measuring this. This is the box. We'll open it up and see what's inside. If I can get it open. Oh, there we go. So it's a cute box. It says, let's get started. It has cute little figures inside of there. I'm guessing this is supposed to be Cassie. And over here, we have the 90-day journal. Now, the 90-day journal was $20, and this is the citrus one. I believe it had a few different covers. And this plastic is super shrink wrapped on there. I don't know if I can get it off without, I don't want to damage the notebook with these sharp scissors. There we go. And it is off. It is so itty bitty tiny. You know, I never ever read. I'm guilty of never reading the size dimensions on these when I purchase them. So this is 5.5 wide by 7 tall. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's just check it out by itself. Over here. Here we go. Oops. And this journal belongs to, did you see how small that is? My hand. It's like the size of my hand. Or maybe I have a really big hand. I don't know. Set up for success. Declare your why. Set clear goals. Write it all down. Analyze your data. Tweak. And then we jump over here to my physical goals. Weight, body fat, muscle mass. My mental wellness goals, my fitness and strength goals, my bonus goals, 90-day food, my nutrition guidelines. Inspiration page, measurements, and over here, day 1, day 30, day 60, day 90. I do like this because it does take 12 weeks for you really to see any body mass changes when you do any program. And that's really doing it consistently. So, you know, 13 weeks, 15, if you have a week that goes off schedule, which is totally fine. Weekly progress charts. So they want you to track your weight, your body fat, and your muscle mass every single week. So day 1 and day 7. That's a lot of tracking. But they do say people who track their measurements and their weight every day are more likely to be successful. Progress graph. Each week you will fill out this graph to help you analyze your progress. Weight, body fat percentage. Oh, I see. So then you can see it progressively over 90 days. Start somewhere. We have little tabs. I know it's hard to see these. It looks like it tried to be gold foiled. So it says week 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to week 12. start somewhere. So we'll just look at 1 week. I'm sure they're all just the same, like a rinse and repeat. So we have a weekly grocery list over here. She has it divided into fruits, veggies, protein, eggs, salmon, other frozen, dry, and canned. And then over here we have bedtime. Oh, I see. So you put the date in, what day of the week it is, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, what you ate, how you're feeling, what time you woke up, I guess, so you can track how many hours you slept. And nutritional recap for the day, workout of the day. Wow. And so it looks like it rinses and repeats for all 7 days. And then you do a week 1 recap where you can just summarize the day's workout, biggest accomplishment this week was, and then what helped this past week, what hindered, and your goal for the second week. So, yep, it's a rinse and repeat, but we get a new color, which I believe corresponds with the tab. And then we get a new, like, tab divider cover with the nice cute little design. And so now this is all purple, which I like purple much better than the orange. Now we have yellow, and now we have all yellow pages. Don't like that as much as the purple. Let's go ahead and look at the blue. I guess it's like a teal. That's okay. We got another purple. Purple's like the happy color for me. Orange, again, not a fan of orange. So we have pink. I love the pink. And we have yellow, which I'm not a fan of yellow. We have week 9. I'll stop commenting on the colors. I think we've seen them all. And we have week 12. Oh, I was wrong. There's a week 13. And then we have, okay, so at the end of week 13, we have day 90. So, day 90 looks fine. Final week recap. And then we have the finale. So you want to record your weight, body fat, mental wellness goals, fitness and strength, your bonus goals, your proudest moments, and then you have some pages for notes. And that's the end. So I guess, I was complaining that this is so small, but this, I guess, then you could easily carry with you in your purse and take it with you when you're at the grocery store if you're going to do that meal prep. I mean, it's kind of hard. It is missing, I think, the meal prep side, because it's just telling you what groceries to buy, but not really meal prepping. And honestly, I have found, just realistically, I have to go to the grocery every 2 or 3 days. I know it's a waste of time, but every time I buy groceries on like a Sunday, by the time we get to like Thursday, some of them are kind of slimy and have gone bad. This could just be my poor vegetable selection capabilities and skills. I don't know, but this is cute. I like it. Definitely big win. Let's go ahead and check out. Now, this is their signature dated planner that comes out every year. And this one is called, what is this called? The 2022 Fit Planner and Stickers for $43. So that was the one, the stickers came with this. Same thing, it has that cute little inside. This one is green though. And it looks slightly bigger, let's compare the size, than the other one, but not by a much. So it's really, really tiny again, which I know, maybe it's just me. I really like a big writing space. Like, I write big letters, and I don't like to write tiny. I like to write huge, and I like to use those like marker pens. So those need extra space for all the markery stuff. All right, so same thing as the other one. It has a spiral coil, has a chipboard, has some gold foiling, has an elastic band. And can this fit in the whole picture? Yep, it's still so small it can fit in the whole picture. Here we go. This 2022 journey belongs to, and then 5 things that bring me joy, 5 things that deprive me of joy. When I feel like giving up, I need. When I feel unmotivated to start, I need. When I feel not good enough, I need. When I feel most resilient, driven, beautiful. And over here we have the future looks good, short, long-term goal, biggest dream, 2022 vision. This year, I want to feel I'll be shaking with joy if one good habit I want to instill. Okay, so these are all great. I like these. All positive messages. Here we have 2022 year at a glance. I like all the different colors. So this must be her branding and colors. I guess I'm just not familiar enough with her brand and colors. But I like that she's used them consistently. And what a cute illustration. That is obviously her. We have January prep. So you have 2 habits, and then you can track whether or not you did them every day. Like, I don't know, What's a good habit? Have like X number of glasses of water or have a piece of fruit. Goal setting, pick 2 goals you want to focus on achieving this month. Be specific. January measurements. So I like that she's not over, I guess, loading you with goals and habits. I would definitely just pick 1. I feel like 1 is like enough. But maybe I'm just not capable of achieving that much. So, okay. I love Sunday start. You know how much I hate the Monday start on a monthly. And then notes, I like that they're over here because I am right-handed. So that really helps. So Sunday through Saturday, perfect. She's added holidays. And then over here, we have a vertical layout for the weekly. Weekly starts on a Monday. Again, I love that the weekly starts on a Monday, even though I do like a monthly that starts on a Sunday. I can't explain it. I feel like that's just more natural and that's how it should be. And then over here in teeny tiny itty bitty writing, it says, it was easy, it was crazy. And this says, I feel blank. So every single day is exactly the same. I would have liked to see Saturday. I do like it when Saturday and Sunday are coded or like colored a little bit differently so you can see it. We have groceries on the right. And honestly, I can't write on the right. It's just too small. I know. I'm so whiny. So I do like this layout, even though it's itty bitty tiny. And let's do a measurement too of this planner. I don't need to close it. We can do it right here. It is 5.5 across by like 8.25 tall. So over here we have notes. We have, oh, well, that's interesting. So we get the week at a glance, and then we get 3 days. We get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So here you could do your food, your lunch, you can do your mood, hours slept, water tracker. So this does look very reminiscent of what we saw in the 90-day journal. And then she has given you, I really like this, like, don't make me think, just tell me what to do for the week. So she's given you a challenge here. Do a 45-second plank before every shower you take this week. Awesome. And then looks like it just rinse and repeat. So now we have 4 days on one page. And then we go right into our weekly again. Get 3 pages on one sheet. And she's giving you another weekly challenge. Write a letter to yourself to read 1 year from today. I like that. And then we get 4 days again. So I suspect this rinse and repeats throughout the whole planner. Begin your morning with 1 glass of water. Okay, so let's just check. Let's just jump ahead to the end and see if it's any different. So now we have a January recap, my biggest accomplishment, my biggest challenge, what I learned about myself, what I love about myself, my goal for February, already thinking to next month, and then we have a recipe, super hash brown. So I love this. Got a new recipe in here. She's given you the calories, the fat, the carbs, the fiber, and the protein as well. And we have February prep. So same thing, rinse and repeat as last month. We get another pretty little illustration for February. And February is in a new color. It is in purple. So I do like this like whole color thing changing for each month. It kind of gives you something to look forward to. You're like, it's a new month. All right, so we have the February recap. And then over here we have the 20-day tone. She's famous for putting out a ton of these on, like, if you just check Pinterest, it's like flooded with all of her like 30-day challenges. So, oh, that's interesting. It's just 20 days. Maybe it's because February has less days in it. I don't know. I don't know if this is meant for next month either. Is that for March or is it for February? But regardless, she gave you a challenge. Over here we have March, and let's just jump ahead and see what the challenge is for the end of the month. So we have, we have paleo banana bread. And there's no challenge. There's no challenge. Okay, so I guess we got a recipe for January, challenge for February, recipe for March, and then for April. April, we did get 100 glute challenge. It says 100. Oh, do 100 reps. I was going to say, this is only like 30. 100 reps of each of those. And then for May, we got a recipe, a blue spirulina banana smoothie bowl. And then for June, so June we have a mid-year check-in, your 2022 vision, how's it going, what's not, short-term, long-term goals, so just checking in. We have July, so we're halfway there. Ab challenge, so 100 reps of everything. Love that. And then August, we have a recipe for mango ice cream. And for September, we have Sleek Arms Challenge. So we have 30 days of that. Wow, this is like 1, 4, can I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises per day. So that's intense. And then for October, what do we got? We have healthy pumpkin pancakes. Those sound yummy. And for November, we have splits. I think she did a really famous thing where she was like trying to do the splits. I mean, I would love to do the splits. Okay, so you're going to practice this every month. And then for December, what do we got? We're at the end. We have sauteed cinnamon apples. And then we have the measurement guide, how to measure body fat, biggest accomplishments of 2022. So we have a wrap up for the year, goodbye 22, and then we have a 2023 at a glance. We have pages for notes. We have a cute little pocket folder. This is really nice. I've never seen anyone do a pocket folder with cute illustrations and images on it. Usually it's just like this random pocket folder that's stuck in the back. And that's it. And it has their little Blogilates on the back, and it is gold foiled. So I absolutely loved everything in here. I forgot to tell you the prices. I was so bad. So I did tell you the prices. I'm forgetting everything. All right. So let me know what you thought. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free class, Planner 101. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.